Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you how to prepare restaurant style very soft set dosa along with the table sagu and coconut chutney. Watch complete video for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing set dosa. For that I have taken dosa rice. You will get it in Big Bazaars, D-Mart and in all supermarkets. We need to use dosa rice only so that we will get restaurant style set dosa. Today I am using 1.5 cup of dosa rice. Now I have taken 1 cup and another half cup, 1.5 cup of dosa rice. In the same cup I have taken 1/4 cup of thick poha, and here I have taken 1/4 cup of urad dal. You can see here I am adding chana dal, around 1.5 to 2 spoons of chana dal. And 2 spoons of methi. Once again I will show you the measurements. 1.5 cup of dosa rice, 1/4 cup of thick poha, and here 1/4 cup of urad dal, 2 spoons of chana dal and 2 spoons of methi. Afternoon I am going to wash this and I will soak it in water. Evening I will show you the next procedure. Now you can see it's evening. Here I am having urad dal, methi, chana dal. Here I am having soaked rice and here I am having thick poha. Now I will grind this. First I am adding soaked urad dal, methi and chana dal to mixer jar. Along with this I am adding soaked thick poha. Now by adding water I will grind this. Now you can see I have grinded methi, urad dal, chana dal and thick poha. Now I am going to transfer it to separate bowl. For the same mixer jar, now I am adding soaked rice. Today I am using dosa rice. Now by adding water, I will grind this also. You can see I have done fine paste. Now I am transferring this to same bowl. And it's evening, I am grinding all the ingredients, and tomorrow morning I will show you how to get restaurant style set dosa. Along with that I am going to show you vegetable sagu and coconut chutney. Now I am going to mix this well. I am not going to add salt, soda at this stage. Tomorrow morning I am going to add salt. And batter fermentation, how to do batter fermentation, I have showed it in previous videos. I will attach the link, you can check it. And many dosa recipes, different varieties of dosa recipes have been published in my YouTube channel. Watch till the end so that you will get a playlist of all the dosa recipes. You can watch that also. And tomorrow morning I will show you the set dosa batter. Now I am preparing vegetable sagu. For that I have taken here kabul chana, beans, carrot, potato, I am adding little water. I am adding salt for taste. I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now I am preparing one masala for vegetable sagu. For that I have taken green chilies. Today I am using 4 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger, 3 to 4 garlics, half onion, cinnamon, small pieces of cinnamon, one cardamom, little fried grams, coriander, I am using freshly grated coconut, now I will grind this. See, once it is grinded like this, now I am going to add tomato. Today I am using 1 tomato. Again I will grind this. Now you can see masala paste for vegetable sagu is ready. Now I have taken a 1 pan. I have added little oil. I am adding jeera. Now I am adding onion, curry leaf, now I am adding turmeric powder, and now I am adding prepared masala paste. Now I am adding dhania powder, around 1 spoon of dhania powder. We have to cook it well because we have used raw items. Now I have added little water to adjust the consistency of sagu. Once the masala starts boiling, I am adding cooked vegetables. Today I am using chana dal, beans, carrot and potato. If you have fresh green peas, you can add that also. Now I am adding salt for taste. Fresh lime juice. You can see vegetable sagu is boiling. Now vegetable sagu is ready. Now I will switch off the stove. And this morning you can see the dosa batter. It's fermented very well. You can see the bubbles also. Now how much I need for usage, I am taking it to a separate bowl. If you want to get restaurant style set dosa, we need to add sugar. It gives the caramelized texture. So I am adding around half spoon of sugar. Now I am mixing this. While preparing dosa, at that time I am going to add salt. Now I am not adding salt. For preparing coconut chutney, I am roasting green chilies, garlic with little oil and curry leaves. If it is roasted this much, it's enough. Now I have transferred the roasted ingredients to mixer jar. Now I am adding fried ones. Fresh coconut. Salt for taste. Now I will grind this. Now you can see coconut chutney is ready. Now I am adding lime juice. Now at the time of preparing dosa, I am adding salt. Now I will mix the dosa batter. Now the dosa batter is ready. Now I am preparing set dosa. For that, tawa is already heated. Once the tawa is heated, I am adding little water and I am wiping it with dry cloth to remove the oil content on tawa. Now I am transferring the prepared dosa batter. As we are preparing set dosa today, we should not spread it. You can see the bubbles. If the batter is fermented very well, you will get the bubbles like this. Now I am adding little oil. I will close it with lid and allow it to cook. Now I am going to flip it. You can see the color also, it's already golden brown in color. This is because of sugar which we have added. It gives the caramelized texture. Now you can see set dosa is ready. Now I am showing another set dosa. You can even see the bubbles. Now I am adding oil. Now you can see another set dosa is also ready. Now you can see very hot and you can see the sponginess also. You can see the bubbles which are formed on set dosa. Restaurant style set dosa along with vegetable sagu and coconut chutney is ready. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification, you will get the updates of latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.